Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make a simple graph in Excel pie chart. To start, open your Excel file. After that, select the range of cells to use in the graph. After this, in the Insert menu, click on the pie chart icon and select the design that best suits your taste. Now you will have the graph with the selected data. You can edit the title if you need. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.